Welcome back to Travel Troop, your passport to the wonders of the world. Today, we are journeying into the heart of Europe, to the enchanting country of Poland. We'll be revealing the top 5 cities you should visit in Poland in 2023. Get ready for an adventure. 1. Warsaw. First on our list is the capital city, Warsaw. A city with a resilient spirit, Warsaw blends its rich history with a vibrant pulse. From the meticulously reconstructed old town to the modern skyscrapers, Warsaw is a testament to Poland's past and its future. 2. Krakow. Next, we journey to Krakow, Poland's historical gem. With its well-preserved medieval core, the Royal Wawel Castle, and the buzzing market square, Krakow is a city where history comes to life. Don't forget to visit the poignant Auschwitz-Birkenau Memorial nearby. 3. Wrocław. Our third pick is Wrocław, a city famed for its picturesque market square and the hundreds of whimsical dwarf statues scattered across the city. Its unique charm and vibrant cultural scene will surely capture your heart. 4. Gdansk. Heading north, we reach the Baltic Sea and the city of Gdansk. Known for its Dutch-style row houses, the towering street, Mary's Church, and a rich shipbuilding history, Gdansk is a coastal gem waiting to be discovered. 5. Zakopane. Lastly, for nature lovers we recommend Zakopane. Nestled at the foot of the Tatra Mountains, it's a haven for hiking, skiing, and enjoying Poland's natural beauty. Don't miss the chance to sample a local smoked cheese. And there you have it. The top 5 cities to visit in Poland in 2023. Each city is a unique story, a blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Poland is ready to welcome you. Your subscribe and like gives me energy to make more videos. Until next time, happy travel. I suggest that you see 10 affordable countries to travel in Europe. Poland is one of the countries on our list in that video.